A failing internet connection causes downtime. Employees stop working and the business loses money. Many businesses still operate with a single internet connection. Essentially, they have a single path to the internet. Now, that path could either be LTE, fixed wireless, or fiber. Now, with load shedding, equipment failure, human error, vandalism, and theft, that connection is vulnerable to failure and long periods of downtime. Now, Fusion has technology that can fuse multiple connection types from different ISPs together, essentially giving a business multiple paths to the internet. And if one of those paths fails, the business remains connected. So why has the Fusion solution been such a secret? Well, ISPs simply want to sell bandwidth. And buying more bandwidth does not solve the downtime problem. IT professionals, on the other hand, want to sell you complex, expensive solutions that only they can support. At Fusion, we have an automated solution that is designed to eliminate downtime, make voice calls clearer, and provide connection security through data encryption. Essentially, total peace of mind for the cost of a cappuccino a day.